Okay, sneak peek of what I'm doing right now. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So right now, we in Texas, and this is what's going on. I don't know if you see this. Freaking wheel is frozen. The whole car is completely frozen. Frozen. I couldn't even get this door open. It doesn't even want to open. It's frozen shut. I had to go through the back door to be able to get out of this car. Look at this. Damn. Frozen. The tires are frozen. This is insane. So this is gonna be a crazy video. So we're out here in Texas thinking of expanding Dude's Garage. So we're out here like checking out areas, and this all happens. We might be stuck in Texas for a couple of days. Also, last night driving in the storm, we almost died. Car turns completely sideways in front of us, hit the brakes, I completely slid. I had to somehow maneuver around these cars without getting hit on my right side and my left side and not slamming to that car that was literally sideways on the highway. So I'll show you guys what happens here in a few minutes. Welcome to Ice Road Truckers, a new episode. I'm just kidding. Okay. Right now all the roads are completely ice. A sheet of ice. This is insane. My little guy complaining. This is insane right now. Everything's frozen over. We're here in San Antonio, and it's been pretty crazy, this trip. Pretty wild. But you guys have seen already. So we're back from Texas, and we are in PA right now, in Camelback. What's going on, guys? We're just here relaxing. This is Dude's Garage. I'm gonna introduce you to the family. It's my mom, my stepdad, and there are my kids over there with my wife. We're gonna take you along on this trip, so enjoy. Go, do it again, do it again. Go. Oh, be careful, go slow, go slow. Like